Okay, so this definitely much better than the ChatGPT, to be honest. It do gives us the following section which we ask him. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are testing DeepSeek versus ChatGPT versus Claude. I'm using Claude on Perplexity and see which one create a proper landing page. So I do have a prompt. I'll just copy it first and let's see. It's very simple prompt to create a stylish and modern and responsive landing page for my AI nutrition website. And it do have this following component which I added. So let's see which one create best landing page. I'm copying this prompt to each AI and let's see which one gives us a proper landing page. So here it is and here it is. So meanwhile, what we'll do, we'll create 3 pages. So to view the HTML pages, I'm gonna use text edit. So click on text edit, click on new document, and we have to save it. And make sure you have to save it in the HTML format. So extension should be HTML. For ChatGPT, I'm just giving the name like GPT HTML and make sure it's HTML and save it and use HTML. We'll copy paste the code. And one more thing, if this HTML extension is not available on your text edit, you have to go to the setting, make sure it's a plain text and on here display HTML5 instead of formatted text. So now I'll create another one. So I'll close this one for now. New document for I'll just save it as a Claude. Extension again goes like HTML. Just save it. Then new one. Last one is DeepSeek. So I'll just call as DeepSeek.html. Use it. Uh, Now we do have this HTML file. Let's see if okay, it's writing the code. Okay, so first one is ChatGPT, which give us the code. So I'll just copy the ChatGPT code, open the GPT, open the text edit, copy it, save it, and let's try to view it. Just click it, double click it. Okay, it's not up to the mark, to be honest. It's very basic thing. Let's see how the things on Claude. Okay, Claude has given us the code. I'll copy the Claude one. Double click the Claude one. Okay, so this definitely much better than the Chat GPT, to be honest. It do gives us the following section which we ask him, and on this thing it's not up to the mark. This one looks way much better. It also gives us the subscription plan, start free trial button. So let's see about the DeepSeek. Okay, DeepSeek also give us the response. And we'll edit it, save it, and open the DeepSeek. Okay, not bad to be honest. It gives us the headers are working. Testimonials are there. So what we'll do we'll just try to give another prompt to make it better. So I'll just add a simple thing, make a layout much better again, and then use fonts, better fonts and animation. So I'll just keep this prompt as a constant. I'll just and let's close this one. Let's see at the second iteration which give us the better one. So just open everything to copy paste Claude and GPT. In first round, GPT is pathetic, to be honest. DeepSeek and Claude is much better than this. Problem with ChatGPT is that it is giving us the code very fastly but not effective. Let's say copy the ChatGPT and we'll just try it again. Close it and try to open it. And now it just add a animation, not so great. Okay, so both are writing the code and ChatGPT is again not well. So both are taking time. So maybe they are updating their code a lot. ChatGPT just simply give us all this. I don't know what's the issue with ChatGPT 5. ChatGPT 4.1 was far better than the ChatGPT 5. Okay, we are almost there. It's writing JS to add the parallax effect. Okay, so we'll just copy the Claude code. We'll copy it. We'll close that. And let's see how it goes. Okay, now it do add the testimony, but for some reason the first one was better for me. That I don't know why it changed the color scheme. DeepSeek is a little bit slow. The first one was much better. The after font change, it doesn't look that great. It's still writing the code. It has given us the updated code. I'll copy that code, paste it, save it. I'll close it. I'll open it again. Okay, the font looks better than the previous one, and it looks a professional landing page. to be honest. We'll compare with the previous version also in the first iteration. So I'll just copy the first iteration so you'll get better idea. So let me see what I copy. So I copy the perplexity. So it's Claude. I'll again edit it. So this one was the first one for Claude, and for me, the first iteration was much better. I'll just add over here. You can see it. In second iteration, it changed the color scheme for some reason, which we didn't specify it. Just say make it better layout and use the font. The first one looks pretty much decent one. And for for ChatGPT, it's no point. It doesn't make any sense. So I'll just still try to have it. I'll open the ChatGPT. Uh, First code, it's horrible to be honest. Here it is the second iteration. Here it is the first iteration. It just change a font and it doesn't make any layout changes. And for DeepSeek, so I'll just copy that. So here is the DeepSeek second version, and here it's a DeepSeek first version. So definitely font is changed, and you can see the buttons and styling is little bit changed over here. We can test it for the this responsiveness also. So we'll just do it. Okay, so it's a responsive one. We'll check ChatGPT also. Let's check it. It's it's responsive, but it's not proper one. You can say it. And then finally we'll check the Claude code for older as well as the newer one. So it's indeed proper responsive. So we'll check this one also. So for some reason second version is not proper responsive. I don't know why. But for first version it was proper. We can definitely go back to the first version. And so now it's up to you what you use. In my personal opinion, I use always DeepSeek and Claude. Don't go with the ChatGPT. You can see it, uh, the animation, flows, and all that. You can use the DeepSeek. It's good enough to create a static landing page. And Claude is also good. You just need to reprompt it. Sometimes it forget the context. You just need to optimize it again and again. So you can say it. It's not bad. It's proper one. But don't use ChatGPT. It's for some reason it's not up to the mark. So thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye.